Greetings, all INIs. How are all the eyes doing out there on this lovely day? Today, we're back with another Vital food video, and we are making a pineapple, blueberry, ginger juice. All right, that's what we're doing. We're going to be sweetening it with some raw honey, and yeah, that's it. We're going to be probably putting a little bit of spirulina in there as well. So we have a little bit of spirulina that we're going to put in here mixed with it. So this is a Vital full of mineral. These are all the minerals that's in this juice. All right, so let's get started. Let's cut our pineapple. We're going to be using a cheesecloth today because like I said, it's the juice. It's not a smoothie that we're making. So we're going to capture all of that pulp in the cheesecloth. So let's get on started. Let's rinse everything off properly, and then we're going to be putting it in our blender. In my fruits, I clean all of my fruits and veggies with lime and baking soda. This is all you need to clean your veggies. It's just with lime and baking soda. That is, the lime activates the baking soda to get all of the impurities and whatever you want off of it. You don't really have to clean everything. Let's wash everything off. Cut the limes right here. I'm fishing for the seeds. See the seeds? Save your seeds. It's usually about 4 seeds. Yeah, so this juice is going to be full of antioxidants. I'm just going to be adding this much of ginger. To it. We're going to add our whole pineapple. Make it easy for our blender, so we're chopping it up. Alright, put that in there, blender. You also also going to be adding some strawberries. So we're adding 3 strawberries to this mixture as well. Make sure you save this. You can plant this right in some dirt, or you can leave it in water. It'll grow roots. Then you can plant it in the dirt and have a pineapple within like 3 years. So I do it all the time. This. We're adding water to this because, oh, I forgot the cucumber. We're adding water to it because we want this as a juice. We're not trying to make a smoothie. We're doing a juice. So 1 cucumber, 1 pineapple, 3 strawberries, probably like a pound of blueberry. Alright, y'all, this is the finished product. I've been drinking it. This is that pineapple juice with the blueberries and strawberries and everything we blended up. It don't quite look like a juice. It kind of look like a smoothie a little bit, but hey, it is what it is. Good thanks and gratitude for y'all tuning in. Make sure you guys make vital foods daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Give thanks and gratitude. Peace.